And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Let's check in with KTK meteorologist John Adams. John, you know the weather's been kind of cool and windy. Now we expect to get nice and warm this weekend.
We expect to get nice and warm tomorrow. We'll be near 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. But we do have a little bit of a change coming this weekend. Of course, it is that time of the year as we're leading up to the beginning of spring in a couple of weeks. Actually, 2 weeks from today, spring begins. Right now, though, we've got some beautiful weather in East Texas, and it looks like it's going to stay that way, with one possible exception coming up over the weekend when we'll have a cold front coming through, bringing us a chance of rain. Right now, it's 60 degrees outside the studio. Winds are beginning to pick up again, but they're still just out of the southeast at 9 miles per hour. Of course, the air is much drier at 24% on that relative humidity. And today we are seeing high pressure sitting right on top of us early this morning. Over the last 6 hours, it has moved to the east and over South Louisiana right now. But that's brought back a southeasterly wind to East Texas. And as I said, those winds are beginning to pick up. Not going to be as strong as they were, but by tomorrow, we'll see some gusts, perhaps 20 to 25 miles per hour. As for the future cast, we will see our temperatures warming this afternoon up into the 60s. As we go through Friday, we'll have those high thin clouds, and then Saturday, midnight Saturday morning, we'll start to see the clouds move back in, and a cold front will be pushing down to the Red River. It'll move into the central part of East Texas before sunrise on Saturday, possibly bringing with it a few showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder as we go through the day. Just a marginal risk that we could see anything that might approach severe limits, and that would mainly be down in southeast Texas and over into Louisiana as the system continues to move on to the east. Saturday, 10 o'clock at night, we'll have some showers mainly north of I-20. As we go into the morning hours on Sunday, that activity moves to the east, and sometime between sunrise and noon on Sunday, we'll see the clouds begin to move out. So things will be looking pretty good as we get a good start on next week. Here's our temperatures right now, and we're showing most of those readings approaching 60 degrees, a few 50s scattered in there as well. And our forecast highs for today say that we'll be up around 70 degrees, upper 60s for most of East Texas. Here's your 7-day forecast. A good Friday coming up. Showers and thunderstorms Saturday. Be sure you move your clocks ahead Saturday night, and a stray shower lingering over into Sunday before that moves out. And we'll start to warm up next week with a lot of sunshine, high temperatures getting back into the 70s. Most of our lows are going to be into the 40s. Here's deep East Texas. You'll have a 50% chance of those showers and thunderstorms for you on Saturday. You can check that forecast anytime at KETK.com.
John, thank you. Dallas Cowboys quarterback